In this video I'm going to show you the Nelson Rigg Traveler Tour Trunk Bag. Hey, what is going on? If you're new here, my name is Andrew. This is my YouTube channel, Touring Midwest. We love to do motorcycle related content, but also I like to show you where to find the best burgers, brews, and things to do and see in the area. If that sounds cool, then consider hitting that subscribe button, ring the bell, and we'll get on with this video. I've actually done videos on a few different bags on this channel, but this one is from Nelson Rigg. We're going to be giving this one away at Steel Horses and Stogies 2019, which is about 2 weekends away. There'll be a link in the description for the event page for that if you'd like more information or you want to pre-register. That would be sweet. Alright, let's take a look at this. This is a brand new bag. Still got the tag on it. Haven't actually used this bag at all, but we're going to go over a few things about it and kind of give you my first impressions. First off, the outside of the bag, we've got a big front pocket here. Now there's not going to be a ton of storage in here, but a little bit for flat items or smaller items, whatever you want to say. We've also got two pretty spacious side pockets, one on each side. This bag is going to be slightly expandable, and that's going to give you just a couple inches extra space if you need it. It does feature carry handles on both ends, as well as a carry handle on the very back. And then you'll find your straps for securing it to the tour pack with plastic clips and nylon straps. This is an Ultra Max fabric, which they say is abrasion resistant, UV resistant, and at least somewhat water resistant. Although I will note that they also include a rain fly for added protection. So I don't know how waterproof it is, but I would suggest, since they do include the rain fly, to probably use it. You'll notice some reflective piping around the edges of the lid here, as well as the front pocket, side pockets. There's also a semi-rigid construction bag, so it holds its shape even when there's nothing in it, and the lid is nice and stiff. It's not totally crush proof, but it is, like I said, a rigid construction. Taking a look inside the bag, you're going to get some instructions and a little advertisement from some of Nelson Rigg's other products, and then also the rain fly that I mentioned. We'll see that there's a mesh pocket on the inside of both ends of the bag, so you can store some smaller items in there. And then the lining. Now if you'll notice, there's a zipper in the lining, and that's actually so you can access the inside of the bag. And the nice thing about this is if you want to add a rickrak tour trunk mount, which I would highly suggest, they are absolutely awesome. I can show you one of those in a moment. You can access this to drill your holes, put your bolts in, and then zip your lining back together so everything is nice and hidden and protected. Show you that rickrak tour trunk mount. This just slips onto one end of your tour trunk rack. This on the other side, tighten it down, and you're good to go. When you get to your stop, loosen it up, slide it off, and that's it. This is super secure and just absolutely fantastic. And you can easily add that rickrak tour trunk rack to this bag. And then inside here, if you can see these bolts, that's what I'm talking about. That's how to access the bolts to secure the rack to the bottom of the bag. So I would always highly recommend a rickrak rack because, man, they are just fantastic. I really can't speak highly enough about the quality and the security of that. You're then able to padlock the rickrak rack onto your tour trunk rack. It's a lot of, yeah, anyway. So that's just basically a quick overview of this bag and what I think of it. I think the quality looks really good, very similar to the Top Deck 2, which I've been using as my main travel bag, and I absolutely love it. I'm not going to have time to test this one out at all, plus I want to keep it pretty new looking and everything for the giveaway at the Steel Horses and Stogies. But let's put this on the bike and see what it looks like on the bike. If you like it, you can check it out at Nelson Rigg's website. So again, my first impressions of this bag is I think it's pretty slick. Everything seems to work the way it's supposed to, and it looks to be pretty good quality. Add that rickrak rack and you will be good to go. I've got a video all about that. I'll leave that in the description below so you can see how all that works. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell if you haven't already. It's not going to cost you a thing, but it's going to keep you up to date and current with any new videos or content that I put out on my channel. You don't want to miss that. And if you want to see another video from me, you can check out this one or this one right here. That's going to do it, guys. Stay very safe out there. As always, we'll catch you in the next video from Touring Midwest. It's also available on Amazon and Revzella. So, Revzella? Revzella. Revzella. Revzella.